Hello students, we are in fifth part of fundamental unit of life. As I told you, I am going to discuss cytoplasm and two cell organelles today. One is endoplasmic reticulum, another one is Golgi apparatus. Rest others organelles I will discuss in my next class. So for that you have to subscribe my channel and still I have to stay with me till the last. Okay? And I am going to cover your whole biology syllabus. So, subscribe, and if you want to give any comment, you can write in comment section. Okay? So, let's start with cytoplasm today. Cytoplasm. As I told you earlier also, cytoplasm is the inside part of plasma membrane. What are present inside the plasma membrane are called cytoplasm, and all cell organelles are present in cytoplasm, even nucleus also. Now, cytoplasm is actually made up of water, then salt and protein. Okay, so these things are essential here, and you know 80% water is present in cytoplasm. That's why actually the cytoplasm is colorless. There is no color present here. Okay, and the cytoplasm is actually a gel-like structure. It is gel-like structure. Okay. Now, we will discuss our next part, that is, we will discuss about endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. In short, we can say ER. It is divided into two parts. One is rough ER, another one is smooth ER. So here we can see rough ER and smooth ER. Now why it is rough ER? Because this ER is joined with, here you can see ribosome is present. Ribosome is attached. Ribosome is attached with this ER. That's why it is called rough ER. But here, ribosome is not present here. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. In rough endoplasmic reticulum, whereas we know that it's attached with ribosome, ribosome is actually producing proteins. Now, what happened here? Ribosome produce, then endoplasmic reticulum will carry to different parts. Next one is SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum actually has to produce lipid or fat. Now they are producing protein and lipid produced here and transferred to different parts of the cell. So actually what they are doing, they are transferring materials from one part to another part. This is the basic function. Now what is membrane biogenesis? Membrane biogenesis. Membrane biogenesis. Membrane biogenesis means a protein and lipids produced through this rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum are actually used to form this cell membrane. This cell membrane is produced by this protein and fat. And sometimes the protein and lipid works as enzymes and hormones. This is also very important work they are doing here. Now other work is they are actually working as a surface. Working as a surface of some biochemical activities. Some biochemical activities. Actually, all the organelles present here taking part in different chemical activities to protect the complex structure of eukaryotic cell. Okay, and participating in different functions. So here endoplasmic reticulum also working in biochemical activities. One more thing is that smooth endoplasmic reticulum is doing a very crucial work. It detoxify some poison and drugs. It detoxifies, okay, some poisons and drugs where in the liver part of vertebrate, means we, okay, in our liver, in all the bony organisms liver, it work as detoxifying agent. Okay, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So the function is very clear here. They are working as a channel, endoplasmic reticulum, transferring the proteins and lipid to different part of the cell and taking part in different biochemical activities. And smooth here also protect the liver from detoxifying. Okay. Next part, after endoplasmic reticulum, we are going to Golgi bodies. One more important organelle, cell organelle. Golgi bodies, got Golgi apparatus, or simply we can say Golgi also. Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus or Golgi bodies. Okay. So Golgi apparatus is also a very important cell organelles. Now it is also a membrane bound. Also membrane bound, flatten. Okay, and flatten actually some vesicles or sacs. Okay, are joined here like some stacks, and produced sacs are joined as stacks called cisternae. This is called a very important part is cisternae. A very important part is called cisternae. Okay. In Golgi bodies, what happens? In a single cell, that see there is a cisternae, one cisternae, three cisternaes are there. Actually, and it forms a stack. In one stack, mainly 4 to 8 cisternae are present. And in whole cell, there are actually 40 to 800 stacks are present in a single cell. 40 to 100 stacks of cisternae present. Okay. Where? In a cell. Okay. And in a stack 4 to 8 cisternae present. Okay, now what happened? Actually, Golgi bodies have endoplasmic reticulum. Both of they are membranous. The endoplasmic reticulum also a membranous structure. Okay, membrane bound, and their shapes are very different cell. Endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, somewhere it is tubular-like, somewhere it is bag-like, or somewhere it is round. But both of them are membranous, Golgi bodies and endoplasmic reticulum, and they are very closely related. And they get what happened when rough endoplasmic reticulum get protein from ribosome. They are a transition vesicle form. This transition vesicle, what happened? What they do? Suppose RAF AR from RAF ER, this transition vesicle. Transical vesicle is formed which passes to Golgi bodies or Golgi apparatus. Okay, this passes to Golgi bodies. Okay, now Golgi body will absorb this one. Okay, and this protein, whatever absorbed by Golgi body, will modify. Okay, the protein is passes to transition protein. Okay, formed in ribosome and comes enter in rough endoplasmic reticulum, and then what happens? It passes through this transition vesicle to Golgi bodies. Then Golgi bodies absorb them and modify them, again replace them to this transition vesicle. Okay, again replace them. Okay, so what happened after that? Transition vesicle will take to different part of the cell. This is the function of transition vesicle. Okay, they can move or they can float through the cytoplasm. One more function is that of Golgi body, that Golgi body can form sugar. Golgi body can form sugar from, this is actually complex sugar. Okay, so it forms sugar, it means complex sugar. Complex sugar from simple sugar. This is a function of Golgi apparatus. And sometimes Golgi apparatus or Golgi body or Golgi has to form lysosome. Okay, another cell organelle, right? Lysosome is another cell organelle. So this is the important function of Golgi apparatus. Okay, it produce protein in ribosome. It transferred to different parts, and by transition vesicles. Okay, and it transfer the protein to Golgi bodies, and through this it can pass to different parts. And it also produce sugar sometimes, complex sugar from simple sugar, and finally it can produce lysosome also, another cell organelles. Okay, so today up to this much, and in my next class I am going to discuss another cell organelles. Okay, so thank you for watching and stay till the last. Okay, thank you.